I want to walk you through an example of purchasing rare sats on the Magic Eden marketplace. I've already connected my Xverse wallet to Magic Eden, and in this case I'm specifically looking for Block 9 sats, which if you hover over the icon on each one of these different types of sats available, it will explain what they are. Block 9 are sats mined in Block 9, which are the oldest sats in circulation. I want to purchase a Block 9. I'm going to look to see what's available. You can see currently it says obviously buying broadcasted, somebody is purchasing those. I'd also like to find one that has the pizza icon, which if you hover over pizza, it'll tell you that these are sats from the 10,000 Bitcoins used to purchase 2 Papa John's pizzas on May 22nd, 2010. Specifically, that's what I'm looking for. Again, do your own research. This is just an example of the process of buying these. I'm gonna go ahead and look at this one. If you look up here, it says the total sat number is 546. 2 different sat ranges, and if you scroll down a little bit and look down here, you'll see one sat has Block 9 and these other attributes as well. First transaction, sats mined by Satoshi Nakamoto, and vintage, sats mined in the first 1,000 blocks. If you hover over this, sats from 10,000 Bitcoins used to purchase 2 Papa John's pizzas, and there are 545 of those. Technically, I'm buying 2 different sat ranges, one sat with the Block 9 attribute as well as these other ones, and then 545 with the pizza attribute. You'll see the total listing price here. Here's the platform fee, and again, this is where you can choose how quickly you'd like your transaction to go through. I always just go with low, which is currently $12.87. Buy now. Review the transaction in Xverse, go ahead and confirm. You'll see this message that says your transaction was successfully submitted to the mempool. It is now awaiting network confirmation, and the items are locked until confirmation or expiration of the transaction occurs. Click here to check status of transaction. That's going to open up mempool where you can see it's currently unconfirmed. Okay, so it looks like we have one confirmation already that only took about a minute. I'm also going to check my Xverse wallet. Looks like the Bitcoin was taken out. If you click on BTC transaction history, you'll see received. So if I go back to Magic Eden, click return to collection, click up on my account, click on my items. If you click on rare sats, you'll see that's the sat that I just purchased is showing up in my wallet. So that's how you buy sats on Magic Eden. Please do your own research before making any purchases of Ordinals, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.